Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to delete or clear or remove your all Facebook watched videos history. So let's see. So first of all, go to your Facebook. After that, open your Facebook account. You can see my Facebook account. So in this I can easily clear or remove or delete my all Facebook watched videos history. So let's see. After that, you can see three dot line, click on it. Scroll down, choose and select settings and privacy, click here. After that, choose settings, click on it. Scroll down, you can see activity log. So in this you can choose and select activity log, click here. In this you can easily clear all or delete all or remove your all Facebook watched videos history. So let's see. You can see your Facebook activity, your activity on Facebook, including posts that you have created, likes and other interactions, activity you are tagged in, your groups, videos that you have watched and more. After that, choose and select, and in this here, click on it. Scroll down, you can see post. After that, in this here, click on it. After that, choose see more. Scroll down, you can see videos you have watched. So in this you can choose and select videos you have watched, open it. And in this here I can see or find or check my Facebook watched videos history. And in this I can easily delete or clear or remove all Facebook watched videos history. So let's see. After that, you can see clear video watch history, click on it. Are you sure? Only you can see your video watch history. After that, choose clear. And in this way you can easily delete or clear or remove your all Facebook watched videos history. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.